In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do breakout rooms in Zoom. Whether you're running a class, hosting a workshop, or organizing a team meeting, using breakout rooms effectively can help you create a more interactive and engaging experience. Let's dive into how you can set up these breakout rooms with ease. First, you'll need to start your meeting as a host. Once you're logged into Zoom and have started your session, look towards the bottom of the Zoom window. There you'll usually find a range of options in the toolbar. The button you're looking for is labeled Breakout Rooms. Clicking this will open up the options for creating breakout rooms. However, if you don't see the option right away, don't worry. Sometimes it's tucked away under a button called More, which looks like 3 dots. Click on More and you should see Breakout Rooms appear in the menu. Once you click on Breakout Rooms, a new window will pop up. Here you have the opportunity to decide how many breakout rooms you need, depending on the size and needs of your meeting. For instance, you may choose to divide people into smaller groups by selecting 3, 5, or even 10 rooms. This feature is incredibly useful for managing discussions and collaborations by breaking larger groups into more manageable subgroups. After deciding the number of rooms, you can choose how participants will be assigned to these rooms. You have 2 options here. You can either assign participants automatically or manually. If you opt to automatically assign participants, Zoom will randomly distribute people into each of the rooms. This option works well when time is of the essence, or when you want to mix things up. On the other hand, if you prefer to tailor the composition of each room, you can manually assign participants. This method allows you to group specific individuals together, perhaps to work on a joint project or discuss a particular topic. Once you've made these decisions, click Create Rooms. This will generate your breakout rooms based on the selections you've made. Remember that even after you've set up the rooms and launched them, you can still move participants around or add more rooms if necessary. Flexibility is built into this feature, which means you can adapt the setup based on how the meeting progresses. So there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can create and manage breakout rooms to make the most of your Zoom meetings. I hope this guide helps you streamline your virtual gatherings and enhance collaboration among participants. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips.